Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Lead Test Kit is probably one of the most important tools for every homeowner. Lead contamination in drinking water is a serious health concern, and it's often invisible. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the right lead water testing kit, ensuring your family's safety, and providing you with peace of mind. Let's dive in and find out how to protect your loved ones from this silent threat. Number 5. Varify 17-in-1 Water Test Kit. Are you concerned about your water quality? This kit offers a complete analysis, testing for 17 essential parameters. It helps you detect contaminants and imbalances, ensuring your water's safety. This kit tests for chlorine, fluoride, lead, iron, and bacteria, among others. It provides a holistic view of your water's safety. You can be fully informed about what's in your water. This kit uses professional-grade test strips for precision. The strips are designed to provide a dependable and thorough analysis. You can trust the results. The color-coded system makes testing simple and fast. You can easily understand the results in minutes. It's designed for your convenience. The kit includes 100 strips in sealed pouches and 2 bacteria tests. The bacteria tests provide results in 48 hours. This ensures thorough and accurate assessment. With every purchase, you support Water for Good. A portion of the proceeds goes to fight water poverty. You're not only ensuring your water's safety but also helping others. What we like. This kit offers comprehensive testing for 17 different parameters, including bacteria, ensuring a thorough analysis of your water. If you are concerned about a wide range of contaminants and want to contribute to a good cause, this is a great choice. It also supports the Water for Good initiative, making it a purchase you can feel good about. What people say. The instructions are clear and the process is simple: dip a strip, wait a few moments and match it to the color chart. It tests for everything from lead and chlorine to pH and hardness. The kit comes with 100 strips plus 2 separate bacteria tester kits, giving me peace of mind when checking both chemical levels and potential contamination. Number 4. Watersafe Water Testing Kit. Are you concerned about the quality of your drinking water? This kit offers a convenient way to test for various contaminants. It helps you ensure the water you use is safe for you and your family. This kit detects 9 key contaminants, including lead and bacteria. It also tests for iron, copper, chlorine, and nitrates. This comprehensive testing gives you peace of mind. You can test your tap or well water from the comfort of your home. It provides lab-accurate results without the need for sending samples away. This saves you time and effort. This kit is a budget-friendly alternative to expensive lab tests. It eliminates the costs of shipping and provides a cost-effective way to monitor your water quality. The kit uses advanced technology to detect low levels of contaminants. It can detect lead at levels 3 times lower than the EPA's action level. This ensures highly accurate results. This product is trusted by universities, governments, and researchers. They rely on it for accurate and reliable water testing. You can trust it too. What we like. This kit provides lab-accurate results, giving you peace of mind without the lab cost. If you are looking for a reliable and cost-effective solution, this is perfect. It's trusted by professionals, so you know it's a quality product. What people say. This little test kit is a brilliant idea. You can do these series of tests at home, in less than an hour, except the bacterial one, which needs 2 days in a vial at room temp to see if the nasties are going to have a breeding party. The tests were easy to complete, the instructions gave good information, and it was easy to analyze the results. Number 3. 20-in-1 Water Test Kit, Home Tap and Well Water. This all-in-one kit tests for 20 common water contaminants. It provides clear and easy-to-read results, ensuring you know exactly what's in your water. This kit is designed for both home tap and well water. Get clear results and understand acceptable ranges for all tested substances. The kit delivers accurate readings for any type of water, giving you peace of mind. It's designed to be easy to interpret. Using the kit is incredibly simple. Just add water, set a timer, and read the results. The included guide makes it easy to understand the results, from pH levels to hardness readings. The kit includes a clear guide on the bottle that matches each test strip. This makes it simple to compare your results and understand what they mean. The guide helps you interpret the results quickly. A data sheet is included to record your readings for later analysis. This allows you to track changes over time and monitor the quality of your water. This feature helps you keep a detailed record. This well water test kit includes a 17-in-1 test strip and separate bacteria tests. Knowing what's in your water is easy and gives you peace of mind. It helps ensure the safety of your water supply. What we like. This kit offers easy-to-read results with a data sheet for recording. If you like to keep track of your water quality over time and want a simple, user-friendly experience, you should consider this. It's designed for ease of use and clear understanding. What people say. The strips are straightforward to use, just dip, wait around 15 seconds, and match the colors to the chart. I appreciated the bolded acceptable ranges on the bottle, which made interpreting hardness, chlorine, and lead levels foolproof. At under $30 for 120 strips, it's cheaper than lab testing while covering 20 parameters and bacteria testing. Number 2. Health Metric Water Test Kit. Are you concerned about the quality of your tap or well water? This kit provides a simple and effective way to test for common contaminants. It's designed to give you peace of mind about what you and your family are drinking. This health metric kit offers easy-to-use testing strips. You can quickly check for lead, copper, bacteria, nitrate, chlorine, and more. It's a convenient way to monitor your water quality from the comfort of your home. The kit tests for a wide range of potential contaminants. This allows you to identify any issues and take appropriate action. It helps ensure your water meets safety standards. This product is proudly made in the USA. It adheres to EPA standards, ensuring accuracy and reliability. You can trust this kit to provide dependable results. With this kit, you can get fast results. It's a proactive step towards safeguarding your health. Take control of your water quality today. What we like. This kit offers simple testing strips for common contaminants. If you are looking for a straightforward and easy-to-use kit made to EPA standards, this is a great option. It's designed for ease of use and clear understanding. What people say. Super easy to use and very accurate. Simple to use and provided various tests to check tap water. I got this to evaluate nitrates and sulfates in my drinking water, and it is easy to use to evaluate these and other compounds. Number 1. Safe Home Lead in Water Test Kit. This is the Safe Home Lead in Drinking Water Test Kit. It's the #1 selling lead test kit in the world. The kit is certified by independent laboratories, ensuring reliable and precise results. The kit uses patented technologies for lead detection. It offers 3 distinct levels of detection, giving you a clear understanding of your water's lead contamination. Testing is quick and easy, taking only 5 minutes. The kit provides clear and accurate results every time, and is perfect for home use. Safe Home offers expert customer support with over 40 years of experience. The kit includes easy-to-follow instructions in multiple languages. With every purchase, a portion is donated to global clean water initiatives. Buying this kit helps bring clean, safe water to communities in need around the world. What we like. This kit offers advanced lead detection with a quick 5-minute test. If you are particularly concerned about lead contamination and want a fast, reliable test, you should consider this. It's certified by independent labs, ensuring accuracy and reliability. What people say. It's very easy to use and interpret. Easy to understand and use. Good for knowing if your water has lead. It performed as was stated and gave us peace of mind knowing that our water is practically lead-free. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.